Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Dr. Tobias Liver 21-Day Cleanse, SOLARPLAST, Milk Thistle, Silymarin, Artichoke, Dandelion Proteolytic Enzymes Supplement. Also remember, though, that cleanse, detox are popular catchwords right now. Ask if you specifically need that. Tobias Liver Detox had a better combination, and the price was more reasonable than the other product. Not sure if it eliminates fat around the liver without getting another scope, but I'm not experiencing any problems. You can definitely feel a difference of energy and overall well-being after a few days of taking. Great stuff. Liver enzymes were high due to medication, and this brought them down to normal in a matter of days. This also helped me retain a balance from bad, irregular eating habits, and the sluggishness that may come from such actions. It works differently for all, but if there is something going on with you, and you can trace it back to a possible liver issue, you can't go wrong for trying this out. Tobias products in the past, and was happy, but this one didn't do anything for me. The sluggishness seems to away, and the feeling of having a ton of brick on me is gone too. The immune system support worked for me, and this liver cleanse is working for me too. Tried this product, and pain has not completely gone away, but is a lot better. Ordered another bottle to see if it can help with the last bit of pain. Each has similar items listed on the bottle which would make you believe they were all the same. Helps with energy level, and along with diet and exercise helps to maximize liver function. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.